How to fix our largest contentful paint element on Shopify. So if your Shopify store is taking a hit on Google Page Speed Insights because of a poor LCP score, it almost always means your main hero banner image or product photo is loading too slowly. Fixing this speeds up your site and improves your SEO rankings. So let's make sure Shopify loads your main top banner immediately instead of waiting for the rest of the page to render. So log into your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Click on the three dots next to your active theme and choose Added Code. And now open up your main hero section file. Usually it's either image banner or main products. Main products. There you go, liquid. Then press Ctrl F to open up search and locate the main image tag for your top banner. Like that. Okay, and ensure that loading equals lazy is removed or set to loading eager. And add the fetch priority to high directly inside the image tag, so browsers prioritize downloading this graphic above everything else. Okay, and now let's fix giant image sizes that choke your store's loading speed on mobile devices. So in this same liquid file, check the image_URL filter. So image_URL. And ensure that your theme uses Shopify's responsive image filters like SRC set instead of serving a full resolution 4K file to small mobile screens. And then you just go ahead and re-upload your hero graphic as a compressed WebP or optimized JPEG file rather than heavy PNG. And also aim to keep your primary banner size strictly under 200 kilobytes so browsers can render the LCP element almost instantly. And then save after that. So that's it, guys. Be careful not to mess anything up here and don't forget to save the changes. And then when you're done, just go ahead and wait for the changes, and also you can go ahead and open up your site, right, and then just maybe preview it and see how it works after. That is it. Enjoy and thank you.